My name is Bill, graphic designer from Bishop Salford. Here with a very quick guide to help you save your Canva artwork so it can be printed. Once you have your artwork, do ensure that the size you want is the size you've set it. We can't change this here because it's a pro feature and we don't use this software. But it isn't here. Make sure that's the size you intended. Once you've done all that, you then click Share and then Download. And then from the drop down menu you pick PDF Print. Once that is clicked, you choose crop marks and flatten. If you have the Pro version, change it to CMYK. If not, leave it as RGB and then click Download. The file that you download will be the one you send to us. I hope this helps.